joined Beston Global Food Company in a very exciting period of its journey. This is after several years of hard work where the team actually created foundations for the company to sustain its growth going forward. At the same time of my start in the organization, several new opportunities, exciting ones, have presented themselves. My name is Fabrizio Jorge. I joined Beston as CEO in April 22 and have 25 years of industry experience in South America, Asia, Oceania, Africa, and the Middle East. I spent more than 12 years with Fonterra, where I held a variety of senior leadership roles, and joined Beston from Bubs Australia, where I was Chief Operating Officer. I'm also a former board member of the Australian Dairy Industry Council and the Australian Dairy Products Federation. I've joined Beston Global Food Company to lead the organization into its third phase of the strategic planning. Since its listing back in 2015, Beston has been in many ways creating its foundations for growth and being on an accelerated growth journey. The third phase is very much about valorizing our products, taking our products to the right customers, the right markets, and the right channels. It's my role to make it happen and bring it all together. The progress made this far, despite an extended drought, market complications, and COVID, has been very impressive. Through strategic investments and excellent relationships with dairy farmers, Beston has grown its milk supply from 17 million litres per annum back in 2015 to 155 million litres this year, becoming the largest South Australian dairy processor. Beston products have won more than 160 industry awards, competing against long-standing established brands, including a Best Cheddar in Australia award, and most recently, the Best Mozzarella in Australia. It is supplying high-quality foods under established brands like Edwards Crossing, Provincial Foods, and Mabel's, to some of the world's biggest brands, including McCain's, Woolworths, and Muller. It's tremendously impressive for such a young dairy company. The newly established mozzarella plant at the Jervois manufacturing is world-class and is already exporting to several international markets and servicing some of the Australia's largest retail brands. Production of high-quality mozzarella has grown from 4,400 tons per annum back in 2019 to 15,000 tons currently, and we have some exciting announcements to share in the not-too-distant future. What is exciting about the Beston Global Food Company is that we are much more than traditional dairy, which is cream, butter, or cheese. We are also a specialized dairy ingredient manufacturer, and our recent developments are around producing lactoferrin. Lactoferrin are essentially specialized food products that contain specific health and medical benefits and are actively applied in treatment or prevention of disease. This month, we were granted the registration from the Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration, TGA, for 3 of our newly developed TrueFerrin branded nutraceutical products. We're now extracting approximately 20 metric tons of lactoferrin per year. This is corresponding to meet 5% of the global demand for these dairy ingredients. We are now servicing companies ranging from infant formula type of applications in locations like China, as well as nutraceutical companies in North America, South Korea, and India. To meet all those exciting opportunities here at Beston Global Foods, we are building a very strong leadership team. David Ashwood, joining us as a Chief Manufacturing Officer with 30 years plus of experience across research and development, manufacturing, and quality, and also Cameron Woods as our new Director for Food and Beverages Business. Cameron is joining us from Leprino, which is one of the largest cheese exporters. Our wholly owned company, Beston Technologies, is particularly impressive, and by applying blockchain technology, is meeting modern consumer needs by enabling them to track and trace ingredients and products and verify provenance. This is a proprietary technology platform which has been awarded 13 patents, including 2 blockchain patents granted in the United States and Australia. Personally, I'd like to say thank you to the board for giving me the chance to lead Beston in this next phase of growth and development. Also, it feels great to be close to fantastic people that are supporting me every day.